Hi, it's Tiffany Cogdell here, CEO and co-founder of That Makes Sense, here to help you make sense of your finances. Just wanted to share with you an awesome business opportunity and some strategies that we use in a company called myEcon to help people become financially successful and financially free. Um, I am EVP, Executive Vice President in myEcon. I started December 2016. Since I've started, I've been able to pay off my car in just 23 months. I've increased my credit score. I've established a longer-term emergency fund while also funding my retirement account. And I've been able to cash flow over $25,000, which is exciting, as well as I began investing. So all of that has been accomplished in about maybe 2-year time period or less. So it's been really exciting, just seeing improvement, seeing increase, and annihilating debt. I've also started my own business, which is called That Makes Sense. So my heart and passion is to help people become financially free, show them how to work these strategies, and to let them know to be encouraged, because there is a way out, and God intended us to be financially free so we can walk in wealth and everything that He has for us. So I'm going to share my screen so that you can see the presentation. Let's do it. All right. So again, you can check out my website at thatmakessense.me for more information. But I'm going to be talking about myEcon, the personal financial success company. So a little bit about the company. We're actually 14 years old now, debt-free, technology-driven company based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and we have helped our associates cash flow well over $400 million. So it's very important that us as a financial company, for you to know that we are debt-free. So we practice what we preach and teach. What is personal financial success? Well, it's simply having enough cash flow to support our lifestyles in our working years and in our retirement years. So many people work, and then we see a lot of elderly people going back to work because they didn't have a plan and have enough cash flow to support them in both their working and retirement years. So we want people to be very prepared in that. Let's look at some of the current American statistics. So America is the wealthiest country, but yet 69 people have less than $1,000 stored up for emergencies. 68 million people have poor credit. 80% of people feel like they're falling behind and have no plan of action. And wages are stagnant, and as you see, government has no solution for it. There are also various financial barriers, including inflation is a huge barrier. Prices are steadily rising, slowly they're rising. Cereal, milk, gas, the things that we use on a day-to-day basis, prices are gradually going up, but guess what? Your paycheck is not going up to match inflation. So that is one of the financial barriers. Taxes, we all get hit with taxes. So taxes, being taxed at work, that can be a huge barrier. So you're hit with inflation. On top of that, you're being hit with taxes. On top of that, you have your regular expenses plus whatever debt that you have accumulated. If that's not enough, we also have big business. So businesses, there's always sales, holidays, promotions, all kinds of things going on, where big businesses are trying to get our money, and they do a great job because we buy into it a lot of the times. So if inflation isn't enough, high taxes isn't enough, regular expenses and debt isn't enough, big business isn't enough, the banks hit us on the back end, so they're charging us fees for this and that. And people, because they don't have money left over, they run to the banks to borrow money, and then they're charged and given extremely low interest rates on top of that. So those are the barriers, but guess what? We don't come to just bring what the barriers are. We do have excellent news. So myEcon has solutions for these barriers. What are those solutions? We show you how to get more cash flow and better financial strategies. We offer an incredible income shift and membership that'll show you how to overcome these barriers. And while you're working on your finances, preparing your credit, you have the opportunity to earn business income, which is exciting. So what are the 6 cash flow streams? So 1, we teach associates how to correct their tax withholding, so adjusting the W-4. We have a smart credit system. We show you how to minimize taxes using software that comes with the income shifting membership called the CASHFLOW Manager. We also have software that shows you how to eliminate debt. Also, we have investment education videos that shows you what to look for and gives you the basic foundation of how to invest. And all of that you learn while earning business income. Let's look at these a little more in depth. 80% of employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. So when you fill out your W-4, when you first start a job, you put down the number of allowances, and that tells your employer how much money to withhold from your taxes and withhold from your paycheck. What the government does is takes that money, invest that money, and get a high rate of return on that money, and they give you back just a small portion of your money. So once you learn that, you don't get excited about refunds anymore. You actually get quite upset about them because you learned that it was something that you didn't adjust your W-4 correctly. So we're glad to show you how to do that. Also, along with the membership is our smart credit system. It is amazing. It takes you step by step with videos, shows you how to repair your credit. It comes with dispute letters and other letters that you can use to send to the credit bureaus. The templates are already there for you. All you do is just fill in your information. Not only does it show you how to repair and build credit, but it's also important that you understand how to maintain your credit. So I love the smart credit system. Personally, I've seen my credit increase, and I've gained a lot of knowledge through the online system. We show you how to minimize taxes with our cash flow manager. So we have an app that you can download onto your phone, or you can log in online into the cash flow manager. It's an amazing tool. It allows you to capture your receipts for business and just upload those. It also lets you track your mileage. So as you're conducting business, and if you have more than one business, it's excellent for that as well. So you don't have to go to your tax preparer or your CPA when it's time to file taxes with a whole lot of receipts. You can just print off a nice report right from the cash flow manager. This is a great way to keep up with expenses to help you reduce your taxes as well. There are various things that you can write off when you have a home-based business. So myEcon allows you to have your own home-based business, and you can write off a portion of your cell phone expenses, your miles from your vehicles. You can write off a portion of your meals as you're conducting business while you're out eating, your travel. You can write off also a portion of your utilities and your light bills and internet bills and the bills that you use regularly in your home for business. Also, you can pay your children. So you can use that also as a tax write-off, which is incredible. is twofold. You get to teach them how to do things, allow them to do some work in your business while allowing that money to not be taxed. So very, very awesome. One of my favorites is debt elimination. So we have software that'll show you how to step by step go through and begin eliminating that debt. We want to get rid of that. Again, we have investment education. So it teaches you the terminology, the concepts, and the strategies on how to invest on your own. myEcon also offers discount products and services. So we do have the smart credit system that can be offered standalone. We also have the ID Defender. The cash flow manager can be purchased or sold separately. We get discount travel. Also, we can purchase Road Assure, and we have a free cashback mall. So you have the opportunity to earn up to 30% cash back on items that you're already shopping for anyway. So I love it. I love saving money and love getting cash back. We have an incredible world-class compensation plan. So it is the fastest pay and promotion system. You get paid up front, plus you have the opportunity to earn residual income. So we all want to have residual income. It's money that we're not working for. On the back end, you just letting the money roll in. So when you sign up make your first two sales of the income shift and membership, you're promoted to executive vice president. You get $8 each plus a 25% income match. Executive vice president, you get $28 on personal enrollees and up to $20 on each team enrollee. Also, you get up to $8 monthly residuals on active membership sales. So there's so many different pluses in this where you're making money on the front end and making money on the back end. So you sign up 3 people, those 3 people sign up 9 people, those 9 people bring in people, and it just keeps building and building from there. So let's say that in a week, you sign up 10 people. So your weekly pay would be $200. Your yearly enrollees, if you steadily bring in 10 people a week, that'll be 500 people. And your monthly residual income would be $3,500. And you can see how that increases the more people you enroll. With the product sales commissions, you earn 60% of personal individual retail sales, and you receive 20% of team individual retail sales. So wonderful, wonderful compensation plan. Again, with the system, you get a personalized website, which includes our world-class business system and the income shifting membership. It comes with the tax withholding training, smart credit system, the cash flow manager app, which allows you to minimize your taxes. So we do train you on that as well. Debt elimination software, investment education, and valuable tax benefits. So what's the cost of this? It's only $34.95 a month, something that you would spend out eating or something that a lot of people throw away anyway. Why not use it to invest in a business? So $34.95 a month. There is an initial fee that is different. You can see that below in the comments. So sign up. If you have questions, feel free to contact me. Here's my information. Again, my company is That Makes Sense. We're here to help you make sense of your finances. So feel free to text me or call me at 919-307-9749. You can email me at thatmakesense.me@gmail.com, or you can go to the website at thatmakesense.me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and we wish you happy budgeting and financial freedom.